Rohan, you're chasing a story. It's a sad story about a woman who lost her life, the wife of someone in the sheriff's department. What do you got?
Tuesday morning, I attended the funeral of Regina Schoellkopf of Chesterfield, New Jersey at Corpus Christi Church in Willingboro, New Jersey. Regina was the wife of a Mercer County Sheriff's Officer, Scott Schoellkopf, and the mother of 2 boys. She was also a 3rd grade teacher in the Burlington Township School District. Now, on July 2nd, Regina was found hanging in the family's Chesterfield home. The Burlington County Medical Examiner's Office, and I quote, "do not believe her death is suspicious," and they were initially responsible for performing the autopsy on Regina. Now, before the autopsy, though, Regina's family formally requested that they wanted their own autopsy done.
Prosecutor's office autopsy is not happening. The family's own autopsy.
Correct, and that's pending right now. So the family's autopsy is pending as we speak. But what would the family want to find out, on their own autopsy on Regina? The past could be an indicator. So if you look a little deeper in there, the marriage of Scott and Regina Schoellkopf had a history involving domestic violence. Scott was charged with simple assault in April in a dispute with Regina in their home and was suspended without pay from the Mercer County Prosecutor's Office. The outcome of that charge is still unknown at this time. There's no information on it. Now, a 911 call obtained by the newspaper The Trentonian detailed a domestic violence incident. She's on the phone. "My husband just hurt me. He's threatening me. Please hurry." She was barricaded in the bathroom when she called the police, and she was knocked down. And at one point, she says, "I'm just trying to protect myself." Now, guys, what is the family looking for? Are they searching for something specific? Well, we have former NYPD Sergeant Joe Jackalone here via Skype to kind of break it down. Joe, what is this family looking for in their own private autopsy?
The first thing is, they're going to see if there's a proper death scene investigation. All death should be treated as suspicious until proven otherwise. So what you got here is you're going to look for 2 different types of ligature marks. One's called the suicidal ligature, and then the other one's a homicidal ligature. And a forensic pathologist is going to be able to tell the difference right away, and any investigator on the scene will be able to tell the difference right away. So if the person hung themselves and their head was down to the side, you would see no marks on the neck. So these are some things that can't be faked, or what we refer to as a staged crime scene.
Joe, are independently commissioned autopsies taken with the same degree of seriousness as those done automatically by the hometown prosecutor?
Well, that's a great question, and that's what I said. I find it rare that the state still wouldn't take over the autopsy first and then allow them to do their secondary autopsy. That's something that's very rare, and I don't know why they actually allowed that.
Regina, by all accounts, was loved by her family and friends. Her sorority sister set up a GoFundMe page that I will post along with the story as well. She was laid to rest today in Cinnaminson, New Jersey.